I'm Tom Trimmer with Custom Marine Products. I'm going to show you how our new walkable panels come, what all comes in the package. So you're going to get 2 J mounts, you're going to get a polycarbonate backing to keep the panel cool and to protect your decking, and then you're going to get the solar panel, of course. So here's what the panel looks like. We put these extra will come all the way around. I just had those on to show you. And then out comes, so here's the J channels that we mount the panel and the polycarbonate slide into. And then we get the polycarbonate comes. This is what the panel lays on, and then you can see it keeps the panel cool, keeps airflow underneath. Yep, so that lays inside your J's like that, and then as protective material. You get a instruction manual as well, and you lay the panel solar cells up. This is our 100-watt flexible panel, or walkable panel, sorry. Oh, you get these there'll be corner brackets on. You take those off. These are also for protection, for shipping protection. And and that's how it goes on your boat deck. This slides right in like that on both sides, and you're good to go. Now you don't have to worry about buying the polycarbonate separate or the J channel separate. That's it. That's a 100-watt walkable panel, and all of our walkables are coming with both the polycarbonate, the J channels, and then of course the super shade tolerant 24.4% A+ grade solar cells from SunPower. So keep talking. The solar cell itself can be partially shaded and still produces power, and then it's the panel split in half with wiring. So if this side is super shaded, the other side still continues to put out power, unlike lower quality panel that you shade any bit of it and the whole thing goes down. Comes with waterproof junction box, 6 feet of cabling, number 10 cabling, positive and a negative. You can run it through. It has grommets on each corner, so you could screw it down or use we have a corner, specially made corner washers we can supply you, and that will hold it down more firmly. You stick, then this is if you wanted to run the wire into a channel or down into your boat salon or through the roof of a van. These are very popular for vans as well. If it's something you'd like, you can order them custommarineproducts.store. Is our Shopify store. It's a smooth, easy production. If you have any questions, call us. Call our team anytime. And when there's a chat box or there's email, contact us any way you want. And we believe these are the best panels on the market.